Do you want to save money on your Facebook ads? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So who doesn't want to save money on their Facebook ads? It's all about getting the cheapest ads so that you can become profitable and get the most profit out of your ads. That's what business is about. So of course you would want to get the cheapest ads, but what can you do? Well, there's one thing that's very important, and that is the creative. Meaning the picture or the video that you're actually using in your ad, because that's the visual part that people are seeing, and that's becoming increasingly more important in advertising. Everything else is becoming more and more automated on Facebook, so the visual part is also the part that actually target your audience more and more. It's the visual part that you use to target audiences. So spend at least 10% of your ad budget on having some really great pictures or videos made, and have several ones made, because you need to be testing also to see which ones perform best, because we may know that, or we may think that we know which ones are gonna perform best, but we can often be surprised. So it's important to be testing different ad creators, different pictures, carousel pictures and videos, different formats also. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. Comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more. And if you want to work with us, then we specialize in blow up coaches and consultants brands with Facebook ads. So if you want to learn more about it, then book a call with me. There's a link in the description. And also join our channel. You can now become a member of this Facebook or YouTube channel, and you'll get access to videos that are not posted on YouTube. You also get access to me on WhatsApp and other social media chats where you can ask me questions directly. We also have a free download down below, Facebook ad templates for coaches and consultants. Go ahead and download that. And join our Facebook group. There you can also learn a lot from me and other social media marketers. Link in the description. So go ahead and download that and share it with friends and family. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.